northwest Manila towards the south China, then towards our destination, Macau. The weather, expect cloudy, rainy, and a little bit bumpy, so don't forget to fasten your seatbelts all the time due to some light turbulence. For the meantime, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. If you need any assistance, don't hesitate to call our cabin crew for more than minutes to assist you. Headed by Senior Cabin Crew OE, Cabin Crew Nadine, Jasper, and...
To kindly proceed now to our gate 105 and
sige, wait lang.
Si Mama.
Uy! Mamaya pa yung isa, babasahin ko na sa mga anak.
Okay, so this is how it feels to ride a plane for the first time, but ironically, it is actually my dream to, ride a plane, not as a passenger, but as one of the crews. Maybe not now, but, maybe soon. Treasure this moment and this feeling that I am, having at that moment. And soon, surely, soon, ako naman yung nagaganyan sa harap ng mga pasahero sa airplane. Teaching them the safety, procedures, and serving them the best service that I can give to them. Soon, definitely, soon.
pa tinitikman. Sabi ko, gusto kong may impression. Nakikita ba ako? Nare-record ako. Wait lang. Okay. So, let's try them. I haven't tasted kasi gusto kong may camera. Para tingnan natin. This one is calamansi. Dandalandan ata. Nakita ko lang din siya actually. So, yeah. Let's try it. Dito ako kinakabahan. Sarap! Pero nakulangan ako sa lamig. Sarap. Dito ako kinakabahan kasi ganito ata yung natikman ko kanina na puro taba. Nag-base lang talaga ako sa picture. Let's see. Ganito lang siya talaga. Wait. Let's see. Ganyan lang siya. So, nothing else. I thought it's like a shabu-shabu kasi meron siyang mga balls dun sa parang mini fridge niya. Pero iba ata yung naturo ko. I thought ganun yun. Pero, it's a different kind pala. Hindi ko alam. Kaya para siya turo dun sa may isang chart. Kasi sabi ko, do I have to choose in the freezer? Do you have to choose like the balls like that? I told her. Then she said, no. Hindi niya. May sinasabi siya but in Mandarin or Cantonese. So I cannot understand her. So yun. Mukhang dapat pinaniniwalaan ko kung ano man ang sinasabi niya. Anyways, I hope I'll be okay. Pero meron naman akong extra kanin. This one, may extra akong kanin from, from a while ago. Lunch ko. So, actually, ayoko talaga magkanin. Gusto ko ng soup. Gusto ko ng sabaw. It's different. Pero may parang kaming kalasa sa Pinas. Or I just miss Philippines. Wow! Oh! I don't know kung taba siya or like atay yung loob. But, alam niyo, masarap naman siya. But I really like noodles. Maybe tomorrow I'll try shabu-shabu. Yung parang shabu-shabu. May nakita ako dun. Sorry, wait. Okay. May nakita ako malapit sa 7-Eleven. Talagang pinipilahan siya. So sabi ko, I want to try it, but at the same time, I don't know how to try it. I don't know how to buy. Well, I can speak, of course, using my mouth, but still. Gusto kong itry yun pag wala masyadong tao para magkaintindihan kami ng tindera. Anyways, yeah. Alam mo yung nakakaasar? Yung ganda-ganda ng share mo, yung sa loobin mo, feeling mo, ang dami mo ng words of wisdom sa video. Makita-kita mo, hindi pala na video. Kasi, mapupuno na yung phone mo. Kaya ngayon, I'm using my tablet. Okay. Wala na yung feelings ko kanina. Anyways, nag-skincare ako. I'm still using the Clued. I've been using this for a month. And then bukas, I'll try this one, pero the retinol bakuchulata to. So yun, tatry ko siya, papatch testing ko tomorrow kasi MWF ko siya gagamitin. Anyways, let's go back kung ano yung share ko kanina. So, I was sharing kung ano yung nararamdaman ko all throughout the process of being here, or before be here. So, my emotion was, kung ano yung nararamdaman ko is hindi ko alam. Yun yung sinashare ko kanina. I don't know if I'm sad, happy, anxious, excited. To be honest, hindi ko alam. O, diba? Same na same. Parang kanina ganun ako, every time sinasabi ko na hindi ko alam yung nararamdaman ko. Napapatingin ako sa isang gilid and I try to process it. Ang isa sa kinakatakutan ko is that baka one day sa hindi ko siya ma-process ng maayos, yung emotion ko is baka mag-breakdown ako. Like, iyak, like, gusto ko lang humilata ng buong araw, ganun. Do I feel homesick? As of now, hindi pa. Like, hindi pa. But, I must tell you, it's my first time being away with my family. My first time international. My first time flying in an airplane. It's a lot of first time. But, yun. All in all, I am looking forward, actually. I'm looking forward on greater days. I'm looking forward kung ano yung mangyayari bukas. Like that. Nothing much. Pero, ayun. Hindi ko alam talaga yung mararamdaman ko. Sa totoo lang. But, I guess I have to enjoy it, you know, the process. Learn from all of things because ganoon naman talaga dapat kang matuto. Diba? So yun. Siguro kasi isa na rin sa reason kung bakit hindi ko alam yung mararamdaman ko sa pagpuproseso ng feelings is because I have different plan. I have different, goals. I wasn't even planning to be here. I wasn't even planning applying here, to be honest. Hindi. It's just that I'm a kind of a person na if there's like a new opportunity and if I think I deserve that, if yung wala kang ginagawa pero kusang lumalapat yung opportunity sa'yo, sabi ko, okay, why not? I mean, why not take it? Kaya ko naman. I have the skills, the capabilities. Why not? Why not take it? Of course, diba? But of course, there's a lot to consider. Like, a lot. Pero ayun, I don't know. Yun, gusto ko rin i-share na yun nga, kung bakit hindi ko ma-process din kasi nga I have different plan or goal is if you been my subscriber, wow, akala mo talaga regular nag-upload ng vlog. Pero, ayun, my goal was to be a flight attendant. Okay, don't take this wrong na being here, I'm gonna stop dreaming about it. I'm gonna stop reaching that because no, I just have to face the reality that I have to take like a different path, but at the same time I have to be in reality. Maybe because this is like a new venture to me, new opportunity, and ayokong ipagpasambahala ko yan. Gusto ko kasi ito. I mean, sure, I was so positive of getting that dream. But at the same time, I have to check, bakit ko ba hindi makuha yung dream na to? Is there something wrong with me? Because to be honest, I've been trying a lot of times. Like, I've been 11 tries internationally and locally. And sabi ko, ano bang mali?
maybe because, you know, I have things to improve to myself, and maybe this path is a way for me to grow so that I can go there in that goal or in that dream of mine, you know? Or we don't know what future holds, but I just, you know, take the risk and enjoy the ride, enjoy the journey. Because to be honest, hindi lagi may ganitong opportunity na dadating. Okay, I also wanted to share with you guys that I don't know if it's a toxic trait or toxic I know pag-uugali, because hindi ko alam kung toxic siya or I don't know, pero kasi I am a kind of a person na who love to take the risk. Like, kahit na sinasabihan na ako ng iba na hindi, ganito yung naging resulta niyan, baka ganito yung ganito, yung nagbibigay ng advice. Yung kahit na sa iba nakita ko na ganito yung naging result ng kanila, na nangyari, ako kasi yung tao na, i-experience mo yan eh. Baka iba yung maging result sa akin. Then at the end, ganun yung naging result. Pero haabi ko kasi sa sarili ko, at least I tried. You know, at least. Kasi baka kasi sa'yo, iba yung naging outcome. And sa akin, baka maging ibang outcome. And every time that I took a rest, of course, I have to really think of it. You know? And whatever the outcome is, whether it is good or bad, I always took a lesson from it. You know? Ayun lang. Pero ako kasing, sige, go lang, go, take the risk, go. Ewan ko, sabi ng best friend ko, ganun daw ako, na hindi ko nang ganun nare-realize na, nung pinarealize niya sa akin, parang, hala, oo nga, no? Kaya sabi ko, okay, chill down, you need to be slow. Hindi tayo walang marathon dito. In life, walang marathon. We have a different kind of pace, different kind of timeline. Okay? So, sabi ko, ayokong madrain na kaka-apply ng apply as a cabin crew. Ayokong madrain sa ganun. Kasi dumating ako sa point na parang nag-a-apply ako, pumupunta ako sa may interview just because parang feeling ko nawawala na siya sa, parang hindi na siya wholehearted na nag-a-apply ka. Kasi nag-a-apply ka na lang kasi just to be there. Kasi baka ayaw mo miss yung opportunity. Parang wala na sa heart. Ganun. Tapos nung na-realize ko yun, ay okay. Baka nararamdaman nila na parang I am not genuinely applying. But of course, you're selling yourself naman. But at some point, you have to be genuinely if you really want this, right? So, ayun. Nung na-feel kong ganun, sabi ko, okay, I need to take slowly. Okay? Dahan-dahan lang. Hindi ka nagmamadali. Chill ka lang, self. Tapos, ayun. Dumating yung time na to, dumating yung opportunity na to, sabi ko, hindi ko alam kung i-take ko siya. Kasi iba nga yung gusto ko eh. Pero sabi ko, habang nagpa-process ako ng mga kailangan ko for this sa Macau, I also tried to apply from local airlines. Nung hindi ako, actually humingi ako ng sign kay Lord. Sabi ko, if hindi ako matanggap, okay lang. At least I tried. Again. But it also means na may reason kung bakit kailangan kong mapadito. So sabi ko, whatever the reason is, I don't know what it is. Pero I know one day I'll realize kung ano yun. Baka kailangan ko to improve myself, you know, my skills, all of that. So ayun, ang haba ko magsalita 9 minutes na, baka nabuburyo na kayo. Pero ayun lang, kakatapos ko lang maligo at umuulan na dito dahil kakagaling lang ng bagyo sa Pinas. So apparently nandito na siya sa Macau and Hong Kong. And umuulan na ngayon. Sana sandali lang yung dito, yung bagyo, kasi may pahinga kami before our orientation. Today is Thursday and then Monday is gonna be our
orientation. Kanina, hindi siya orientation, pero nag-contract signing kami, things like that, uniform fitting. So, ayun, ayun lang. I need to lower my voice. Feeling ko maninipis lang yung walls. Later ulit. Ang ganda rin pala ng video quality. I don't know if maganda yung video quality sa tablet ko. Anyways, bye. Later ulit. Okay, ibang setup na tayo. Kung ano man yung narinig niyo sa likod, naglalaba ako and yan, hindi tumutunog yun. So, it's been a while since I upload this kind of vlog. Like, you sit down, is parang kwentuhan ba? Like, sharing some things, ganon. And a lot of things happen. And, you know, I'm trying to regain sorry, I'm trying to regain myself up again in this kind of path. Because honestly, I realized I really like this, you know, talking on the screen, feeling like sharing anything, my thoughts, ganon. And ano na rin, parang it's also a way na rin of me to like preserve some memories, ganon. Hindi lang to basta wala, gusto ko lang mag-post ng vlog, pero gusto ko kasi rin na kumbaga like yun nga, yung memories, ganon, to also share it with you, and in the future na, uy, ganito pala yung ganito pala yung naging kwento nung before, tapos iba na yung kumbaga yung opinion ko now or your opinion ko today, maybe it will be different in the future, no? Parang magiging basis ko siya. So, ayun, I hope you stay tuned, and to myself watching this, let's enjoy the process, let's enjoy this, and marami pa akong i-share sa inyo, especially yung flight attendant journey. Marami akong i-share. Also, yung pagiging tourism student na ngayon nakagraduate na ako, hindi ko pa rin na-share sa inyo. Even my graduation, I haven't uploaded my video, my vlog. And, ayun, for sure yung may upload kong video, it's a big transition. This video, this vlog, kasi parang at last na upload ko was, I was still a student. And then, you know, sharing my application in different airlines. And now I'm here. Diba? So, yun. It's fine. Ayoko nang sabihin yung sarili ko na, yan, hindi ka kasi nag-upload, ganyan. No. Let's move on. Nandito na tayo. Wala tayong magagawa. We cannot turn back the time. So, instead, you know, proceed to the present. And let's share it now. I still have the time. I have a lot of time. So, let's share it. Diba? So, hindi naman ako nagmamadali. Diba? Yan lang naman. I wanted to share it with you guys. A lot of things. From being a student to internship to trying different application to here in Macau. So, yeah. That's it. I hope you keep on watching my other videos. Adios, sayonara, ciao, paalam. See you on my next video.